Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Polybuzz to send pictures. What is the picture feature? Polybuzz does support a live image generation feature, but it's limited, not automatically available to all users or characters. Then, only certain characters often featuring the label chat with character image generator or I send pics can send AI generated pictures during conversation. So how do you get picture sending functionality? Number one, identify an eligible character. From the create character explore section, look for bots with tags like I send pics, image generator, or photo capture, stuff like that. Then many users report that sending or requesting pictures from these characters costs in-app currency called coins. This might be tied to premium or better access. To start a chat with an eligible character, enter request like show me a picture of us at the beach. All right, so I want to like start this off with the character that I created. I'm just gonna launch this. Polybuzz is very sensitive, so you're unable to display chats. Well, I'm just trying to try it with show me with the character I created. Picture of us at the beach. I'm going to see if it's going to respond. Oh, so it said stuff like, going back? No. It's saying stuff like, okay, so I'm chatting. All right, so my bot cannot release pictures. Just go find an eligible one. Oh my god, I exited that. So if supported, the bot will generate and send an image in the chat. So that's just how it works. Now, image sends may be blocked or censored. How is that? So some users mentioned receiving an image but saw it blocked or removed, especially for more risk content. Okay, and feature may still be rolling out even after prompts. Many report not receiving images despite using eligible bots. So go back to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.